guys, so today we are back recording after a long time now. It's been a long time, not gonna lie. It's been like 1,000 years. And today we are gonna be recording a new type of video today. This is gonna be, we are gonna rating all the starter Pokemon from the, till which, yeah, till I guess, I think it is, yeah, it is till Gala. So we are gonna be rating all starter Pokemon till Galar. First coming is Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur is a good Pokemon, not gonna lie. I like him, but he isn't that strong. So I'm gonna put him in C or B. Let's just think a bit if we want to put him on in C or B. I guess we're gonna put him in B. I think Bulbasaur definitely deserves a B. He deserves a B more than I think Ivysaur. We're gonna put Ivysaur in C because I just don't like its character design. And Venusaur is obviously a B-rated character for me because I don't know, it's just like its character design is good, but it's just too fat. It's a thick boy. Charmander is definitely a A. Charmander is definitely, guys, gonna be a A. Charmeleon, huh? Charmeleon. I think Charmeleon, yeah, we'll put him in B. I just don't know that much about Charmeleon, so I'm gonna put him in B. I mean, I take almost every starter Pokemon as Charmeleon that evolves into Charmeleon, but still, Charizard is gonna be in S tier. I'm just kidding. He's definitely S tier. Oh, sorry. Squirtle is gonna be, I guess, no. Yeah, I guess War Turtle again here. I just don't like the second forms of these starter Pokemon. And this guy is gonna go in A. He just looks so like a tough guy is all I can say. Eevee is, yeah, it's S-rated. Yeah, it's definitely S-rated. Chikorita, yeah, die. I don't care. I really don't. Bayleaf is good, I guess. Yeah, I don't like Chikorita and I don't like this guy, but Bayleaf is good. I don't like Cyndaquil at all too. I like this guy, I forgot his name, and this is Typhlosion, so it's gonna go definitely in a B because I like its character design and it kinda looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. Oh, now the hard decision comes. Totodile in C or D? I'm just gonna put it in C. This guy is gonna. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna do one thing. I'm just. Wait a minute, guys. I'm just gonna do one thing for this Totodile only. This Totodile's evolved form. Yes, you're right about what I'm gonna do. Now this guy comes in. Yeah, I think it deserves that place. And Eevee. I think we're gonna move it down to A. Espeon. No, I don't like Espeon that much. Umbreon. Let's think about Umbreon a bit. Yeah, it's A. Trico definitely a A. Grovyle definitely a S. And Sceptile is definitely a S. Torchic. Sorry, dude. But you're just not that good. And Combusken is, I think, yeah, I think it's pretty good for a rank. Yeah, let's put it, no, let me think just again. Yeah, I think we shall put it in B. Okay, dokie. Yeah, Blaziken is definitely a. Mudkip, I kind of like Mudkip, so I'm gonna put him in A. Yeah, I just don't like his evolved form. And Swampert is definitely an amazing Pokemon, so I'm gonna put him in B. Rip Swampert. Yeah, I don't really. Yeah. These guys are just so thick boy and fat. They're more thicker than me. Their weight is like 10 times more than me. Not gonna lie, I'm very heavy. I'm a big boy. Chimchar is gonna go in A. Monferno is gonna go in B. Infernape is definitely a S tier. If you guys think Infernape isn't a S tier, I don't know. I was thinking get out of this video, but no. I'm never gonna say that. I like, yeah. This guy is so, I mean, this guy is alright, but this guy looks like a monster, and I hate all the Unova starters, so I'm just gonna put every one of them in F. I just hate all the starters of Unova. I just hate him. It's just natural, man. It's just natural. Yeah, and now comes the Koala starter. They're obviously a beast, all of them. No, not all of them. Fennekin is A tier. I'm gonna put that in A when I go up. Yep. And Froakie, I think I was thinking about S, but no. I might have gone too far by thinking about S. This guy is gonna be in B or C. Let's just think a bit. And this was, I think, Chestnut's evolution, or his name was Chestnut. So I'm gonna, yep, I really don't like him. Yep, Braixen is good. Froakie is God. Frogadier is B tier. Not gonna lie, his character design kinda is pretty weird. Not gonna lie. And this guy is definitely S. Greninja is Greninja's aura is unmatchable, guys. Rowlet, you're alright. I mean, this guy is not alright at all. Um, yeah. No. I'm just kidding. Yep, somebody is like spamming messages at me on Discord. Yeah, guys, don't mind me. I just put them in like such a bad tier, and they're crying now. Go cry. I don't care. Let me just think about this one. Yeah, I guess it's no. It's a deserved B tier. Primarina is design is just so majestic. So that's why I'm gonna put it in A tier. Guys, the design is just so majestic. Just look at it. The design, the character design is just so majestic. Grookey is gonna go in A tier. Yeah, Grookey is like, I mean, what shall I say? How shall I say this? Thoki. I really don't like Thoki, and this guy Rillaboom die. I don't care at all about him. And now comes the hard part. Scorbunny, you just go up there. Yep, definitely going up there. Reboot, definitely a tier. If not A, then it's S. Then it's definitely S. Guys, play Pokemon Sword and Shield. I know what it is to experience these guys. These Pokemon are amazing. I'm pretty sure. What was his name? I forgot his name. It was like Scorpion or something. No, that's definitely not true. I really don't like the character design. I really don't like the character design of Drizzle. Not gonna lie. But this Sobble is like such a crybaby Pokemon and cute. So I am gonna put it in. You know, I do like the design of Inteleon, so I'm gonna put it all the way up at S. Yep, and now the hard part. I hope my friends don't get offended by this. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna show you my ranking once. In the S tier, it's Grovyle, Charizard. I'm not able to speak. Charizard, Sceptile, Inferno, Infernip. I forgot. Infernip, Inteleon, Scorbunny, Greninja, and the I forgot his name. Was it Trabufoot? No, that was Reboot. Okay, I'm not gonna even try. In A is Charmander, Umbreon, Sobble, Froakie, Trico, Espion. I didn't put this guy here. I didn't put Delphox here. What was his name? I forgot this guy's name. This guy. Forgot this guy's name. My bad. Uh, Chimchar, Mudkip, Eevee, Blaziken, Blastoise, and if I'm right, it was Incineroar, right? Uh, Grookey reboots Primarina, and in the B here is Venusaur, Dude, I don't know his name, Frogadier, and Combuskin, Typhlosion, Chespin, Swampert, Monferno, Feraligatr. I think it was Feraligatr, or it was like crocodile. I don't know. Feraligatr, Charmander, and Bayleaf, Squirtle. I didn't know the second form of Primarina, but alright. And Delphox. And in the C tier, like it's like this guy, Thauki, Pikachu, Rowlet, Braixen. Oh, I put Braixen here. That's alright. Braixen, Popilo. I think it was name was Popilo or something. Yeah, I got a rewatch Pokemon now. Populo's Wartortle, and this guy Cyndaquil's evolution, and Ivysaur, Totodile, Toto. I don't know its name. Bayleaf, this guy, little guy, this Populo's. I don't know any of these names. I'm not even. I don't even remember who these characters are. That's why I'm gonna say. Not even gonna say this guy's name. This guy. I know that's Marshtomp. No, that's not Marshtomp. Yeah, that's Marshtomp. Cyndaquil and Chikorita. So this was my tier list, and please share your tier list on there. And I'm gonna drop the link of this thing, this on in the description. So okay, nice. So bye guys, and after this video there's a new Pokemon video coming up. I mean the Minecraft cave only, another server is gonna be coming up, SMP, we're gonna name it today, and that server is gonna be coming up, and today this is for it. I don't know, I'm bad in English. Okay, so bye.